Hello guys, my name is Tejas Ramesh Navle. Today is 10 January 2023. Today's my Viva topic is array list in Java. So Java is an array list, use a dynamic array for storing the elements. It is like of an array, but this is no size of limits. We can the array add or remove elements anytime. So it is much more flexible anytimes than the traditional array. It is in found will be the package. It is like the vector C++. The array list in Java can have the duplicate element. Also it implements the list interface, so we can use the methods of the interface. Next is the array list. The array list contains the insertion of the order internally. Next is the it inheritance abstracts list and implements implement list interfaces. The important of pointers about the Java array list class are the Java array list contain duplicate element. Java array list class maintain insertion order. The Java array list class is non-synchronized. So next is the Java array list. Java array list allows the random access because the array work often the index basis. The array list in Java can the duplicate element. Also it is implements the list of interface, so we can use the all methods of list interface. Array list manipulation is a little but slower than the link in a Java because lot of the shifting needs to occur. Element is removed from the array list. We cannot created of array list of any primitive type such as the integer, float, char, double, char, etc. So it is the required use the require wrapper class in such as the classes. The Java array list gets initialized by the size dynamic in an array list, which varies according to the elements getting added. The remove from the list. Hierarchy of array list. Java array list is the extend abstract list class of the implements the list interface. The list interface extend the collection interface in a hierarchical orders. This is all about array list in Java. So this is the main topics in Java. So thank you.